Get ready for the most awaited Sri Lankan culinary event of the year. Pullman Dubai Creek City Centre proudly presents Chronicles of Ceylon 3.0. This November, unwrap a postcard from home. 5 provinces, endless stories. From the misty highlands to the golden southern shores. Savor authentic flavors crafted by our master chefs. Executive Chef Rosaira Matthias, Executive Pastry Chef Dhammika Heran, and Sri Lankan Specialty Chef Kumari, alongside our passionate culinary ambassadors. Each recipe they present unfolds like a postcard, telling a story and offering a taste of paradise. Enjoy a 3-day feast at Medley Restaurant. Chronicles of Ceylon 3.0. An experience, a journey, a postcard you'll never forget. Mark your calendar from 21st to 23rd November for a celebration you simply can't miss. Reserve your table today.